Let me see.
All right, good afternoon, everyone. Craig and Tom with you. Want to bring you up to date real quick on a severe thunderstorm warning that's in effect for Crawford County. This is until 4:45, and you can see the orange flashing polygon there. Basically, what we're watching here with this storm is the potential for some wind damage. Radar indicated, which doesn't mean that it's actually occurring, but the potential is there for some gusty wind with this storm as it works its way into southern Crawford County. Now, over the last few frames of the radar, we'll loop it. You can see how it really strengthened, and notice how some of the darker reds and oranges here, some of the purples, they kind of get a little less as we get into southwestern Crawford County. But there are still some areas over far southwestern Crawford County that could be getting some gusty wind and maybe some small hail right in there. But again, hail not a huge deal with this. Again, over the past few frames of the radar, we've seen this weaken some. But we'll go ahead and track it for you, let you know where it's going. So I'll put this at about 40. That might be a little fast, but just to kind of give you an idea that it's moving east to northeast at Conneaut Lake Park in just 1 minute. Should be there just about now. Yep, there it goes. Conneaut Lake Park now, and then over towards Fredericksburg at about 20 after, and Meadville as well, and then over towards Frenchtown and Guys Mills around 4:30, 4:35. Here's the thing. Looking at the latest trends in the radar, this is weakening. Now, that's not to say that there still won't be some gusty wind associated with it as it works its way off to the east and northeast here, okay, like that. But the good news here is that we've seen this kind of reduction in terms of the radar, the returns on the radar echoes, not quite as vibrant, but still some gusty wind possible getting into Conneaut Lake now. Then we're watching these other storms down here. These are for Mercer County, far southern Mercer County, which is more of a Pittsburgh concern. But we're going to focus on southwestern Crawford County here as we head into the afternoon. Real quick update, though. Otherwise, we're just talking about some wet weather here in Erie County over into Warren County. The only severe storm right now, and it looks to be weakening, is...
Just got a report from Espyville. They had like a little gust front, heavy rain, mainly cloud to cloud lightning, not cloud to ground, and with the gust front, the winds have now subsided a little.
Yeah, so that's basically going to be how you remember back to yesterday, if you were with us yesterday, how the sky just got this really dark, ominous, ugly look, and you get that gust front, which is cooler air, rain-cooled air rushing out ahead of the thunderstorm because it's heavy, so it has to sink. So that's that push of wind that you get. Once that goes by, it kind of evolves into a steadier, just heavier rain. And that's what we're seeing now over southwestern Crawford County, but still the potential for some gusty wind as we get into southern parts of Crawford County. So this is heading for Meadville. The rain will pick up here in intensity. Again, we'll track this kind of leading edge of it right out like so. So again, there are some of the towns, Meadville. Now again, you might have noticed if you've been with me here that the last storm track, we're constantly getting updated information. The last storm track had it getting into Meadville around 4:20. This particular data set says 4:15. So these are ballpark times. So basically, within the next within the next 10 minutes. Okay, let's plan for that in Meadville. Already starting to get some light rain there, and we'll just back out. Show you this little line that's developed. I'll loop this, and then we're going to switch over, and I'll take a look at some of the sky cams real quick here. So just bear with me. Let's take a look at Conneaut Lake so you can see the visibility dropping there as the storm moves through. I want to get a look at Meadville. This is the west side of town looking at Radio Hill, and still nothing too impressive there, but that wet weather is heading for you folks in Meadville. All right, let me get some of your comments real quick. Let's see. A lot of people just saying howdy. Okay, lots of thunder in Meadville. Deja vu, James. Yeah, it's just that type of weather pattern. West of Albion, rain. Let's see. Sure. Thomas, good question. We always have to keep an eye on that, you know. But these seem to be kind of feeding off the instability that we have in the atmosphere. So, I mean, it's like I was saying yesterday. It is. It's like deja vu. It's just so humid. So there's plenty of instability. You're welcome, Keith. You're welcome, Sue. Looked like fun down there yesterday. Hey, Lori. All right. Will it hit Warren? If it holds together, which we've seen it kind of weaken, it's going to be south of the city of Erie. That's where the severe thunderstorm warning is. Thundering here and rain from Renee. Thank you very much. Is it coming towards Cambridge Springs? All right. Let me go back to the radar, okay? And we'll try and answer some of these questions, okay? So this is the line we're watching, okay? Notice these deep reds as we get back into Ohio here. Notice how they disappear, right? And they just kind of become this red-orange color. That tells me that the storm's weakening. Now, I had a couple of questions about Tionesta and Warren. This will swipe through. It's probably not going to be severe, though. We'll see. You know, I probably just jinxed it, but right now it looks to be weakening as it continues to roll into Crawford County, southwestern Crawford County, and into Meadville as well. So that's what we're watching for right now. The severe thunderstorm warning continues till 4:45. If it does not expire sooner, we'll see. Let me just check. Okay. Just checking with the National Weather Service to see if they're updating anything. So that's it for right now. This storm getting into Meadville. Any other reports, Tom?
No, nothing of note.
Okay.
So yeah, this looked like a weekend.
Yeah, it's weakening.
Okay.
So, all right. So the severe thunderstorm warning continues. To be honest with you, they might allow it to expire early. Just some heavy rain right now before I leave here because we have to get ready for that cut in too.
Yeah, a little purple core. Did anybody report any hail?
No, I didn't see any. I didn't see any hail.
So, and it's moving pretty quick here.
Yeah,
it's going right into Meadville, but it doesn't look like anything real hazardous right now.
Yeah, Union City will probably get some thunder, some rain. What was the one you just told me about?
Espiville.
What did they have?
They had a gust front with some, you know, heavy gust of wind, and then it died down. Rain, cloud to cloud lightning, which is better than cloud to ground lightning. So it is passing through there and weakening, as you guys can see there. So we just ride it as it comes, and we'll be watching the thing to the south.
Yeah,
that's got
this might, if that holds together, Oil City will be watching you guys. This is definitely showing signs of weakening here.
Yeah, that's not impressive right now at all. Just like a breezy rainstorm.
Yeah.
You know.
So, all right.
Isn't this live streaming?
Yeah. We should do more live streams when there are severe weather reports. That's what we're doing. We do it all the time.
We do a lot, Lord. Just go to this Facebook page. You'll see us. And even when it's not severe.
Never mind. Thunder in Cambridge Springs. Okay, yeah, you're going to hear a little thunder from that.
All right.
So, okay.
All right. Looking okay for now.
Yeah. So these things, they kind of pulse up real quick, and then, you know, they do their thing, and then,
they move on.
So just some heavy rain getting into Meadville. Let's take a look before we go here.
Yeah, Lisa B, if you got any good shots, be it on the ground or with the drone, feel free. We love your pictures, and I know you're down there with this thing approaching.
I have no idea what you're talking about, Ron. Not a clue.
Corn man, what are you doing, man? All right, so there we are.
All right, so let's take a look. I wanted to take a look. I believe I have Meadville up here. Yeah, so it's starting to rain in Meadville. Again, doesn't look like anything severe. So we'll we'll keep an eye on it. Technically, the severe thunderstorm warning in effect until 4:45, but judging from the radar, it does look like it is weakening a bit. So, all right, we'll hop back on here if there's any new information for you, if any new warnings are issued, and let us know what you're seeing right now. It just looks like some heavy rain getting into Meadville here. You can see live right now that is beginning. All right, so severe thunderstorm warning continues for Crawford County. We'll see if they extend it, but again, radar trends have shown that it is weakening. All right, anything new comes up, we'll let you know. Until then, we'll see you on TV.